And there we go. We're live. Hi everybody, I'm Teddy, your BS talking teddy bear. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. It is a beautiful August Saturday. 86, 88 degrees. The Buffalo Bills, I know we're winning. I hope the fuck they're winning. Come on, Josh. We got beautiful people here. These are just dokes, just donated. Give a thumbs up, people. Oh, he just bought a shot. He just bought a shot. Oh. Whew. Let's get in that water. Thank you for being my friend. Thank you for giving a damn. Yeah, baby. Hi, I see you. Hi, John. Hi, everybody. Oh, it's still a little cold. Yeah, I'm gonna be getting sunburned today. Oh, it's cold too. Don't do it because the handle is floating. The handle wants to float. What's up, everybody? Hi, I'm Teddy Bear. Teddy Bear with the fuck. Ooh, believe it or not, that was chilly. That was cold. What's up, everybody? Oh wow, this thing is really low. Jeez Louise, it's definitely got a leak. What? Hey, what? Huh? What? You trying to tell people to like, share, subscribe? Yeah, I'll leave it open for a minute. John, thank you for being my friend. Thank you for giving a damn. Yeah. Thank you, John. Thank you for being my friend. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. We're gonna get some crazy GoPros. We're gonna get some crazy GoPro. You know that, right? And there. We'll say later. What's up, everybody? Hi, I'm Teddy. Don't you know? Oh yeah, don't you know? That guy's pretty good. Okay, how much? How much? So, I mean, she will get it the next month, but I'll try to, if it's a lot of money, I'll have to split it up. But if it's not too much money, I'll give it to her on payday. I already owe her 20 from Brian. Or no, who? From somebody, I owe her $20. Hey! Come here. No, come on. I'm working. You don't want to come into the pool. I'm working. I got you, bro. Just let me know how much. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Let me know if you want me to do a shot. Just donate it, baby. Hi, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Teddy. Your bullshit talking teddy bear. Wow, we got you right here. We got you right here. This thing needs more air. Oh my gosh, this thing's going to the garbage just like the last pool. It's like a toy you're playing within a pool. It's like a toy. Up periscope, periscope. Dive. Periscope, dive! Don't forget to subscribe! Yeah, baby. Yeah, you want to see a little bit of Dickie do? I know you do, you dirty little heifer, you. Oh! Gotta make sure I edit that in case I show it, actually. Welcome to the show. Welcome to the show. Hey, I just want to say thank you so very much. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe to Teddy's Couch Kingdom and King Live 2025.